Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and hit that bell icon to get the latest update. Hey guys, welcome to ANS Vlogs. This is Abhishek here with you, and Swagat is a little bit busy in preparation. As you all know, festive season already going on all over the world and Diwali is being celebrated. So from ANS Vlog, we would like to wish all our subscribers, viewers, their relatives, friends, their friends' relatives, their relative friends a very happy, prosperous, enjoyable, fun-filled Diwali. So guys, I'm sure a very exciting day is about to begin for us. It's 9 o'clock right now. We planned a lot of things today and which we are going to show you in this vlog as the day progresses. The movie is at 10 o'clock, which is 1 hour from now. So we are not so late as such. But then I would like to announce arrival of one smart thing to our vlogging life before we head out to movie. And this is nothing but our G7X Mark II, which we are going to unbox. I'm not going to take a lot of time unboxing it. I'm just quickly going to unbox it and would do the vlogging with that camera. So guys, right now I'm just shooting it up by a 7-inch camera, front camera in fact. But now you can feel the difference of the picture quality and maybe the voice as well as I switched on to G7X Mark II. So guys, right now I'm going to pick G7X Mark II from this lot and here it is. I would do unboxing very quickly and would start vlogging with this camera right now. So guys, here is the Smarty. So guys, as you can see, I've just quickly set up the camera and we'll continue vlogging with that camera now. So let's meet at the other end. So guys, as you can see, it's very quiet day right now and weather is also getting better. So it's getting better to do outdoor activities, so you can expect more and more fun-filled and outdoor vlogs from us. So guys, by now you must already be knowing that in Dubai, any movie, whether it's Hollywood or Bollywood movie, gets released with the day prior to its release in India, right?
Right.
So I think मेरे को इसका review ANS Vlogs पे डालना चाहिए.
डालना ही चाहिए क्योंकि सबको गोलमाल सीरीज पसंद है.
Yes, and Golmaal 4. This is supposed to be actually Golmaal 4, which they are calling it as Golmaal again.
Oh, is it a 3 or 4?
4.
Oh.
It's 4 and it is expected to be much better than first 3 Golmaals because it is a mixture of all Golmaal characters but Sharman Joshi in fact.
Oh, so we're gonna miss Sharman Joshi.
Yes, and I'm sure many of the audience must be expecting Sharman Joshi in Golmaal series again because he is as funny as any of them guys. I'm sure you also must be believing the same thing, right?
Seriously.
Hey guys, so we are quickly made it over to the mall right now and as you can see the mall looks quite empty. Our movie is about to begin in the next 5 minutes, isn't it?
What 5 minutes? Half an hour.
It's not half an hour, it's at 10 o'clock. Yes.
Oh, are you mad? So let's go.
Then,
I thought it's not 10:30.
yeah. So we have to rush guys.
Bhago. Finally, we have made it over to the movie.
2 hours later.
And we especially like Parini Chopra acting and others were as usual pretty cool. And we felt Golmaal 3 was better than this, but then this was kind of mixture of all the characters, so we enjoyed a lot.
Thank you.
So guys, we have done with our movie and how do you like it? Did you like the movie? What do you feel?
Diwali package, इसमें entertainment है, action है,
Yeah, it was
और
full paisa vasool movie. So we're also going to put our review on ANS vlog separately. This was just a small review that we captured and we thought of giving a reaction because we felt the movie was really nice, enjoyable. After a long time, a comedy movie had come and we got to watch. It was definitely a family movie and even it is good for kids as well, right? So entire family can come and watch the movie.
Food is here. So Abhishek, how's the food? Did you like?
It's good. It's simple and plain food. Nothing so special. As you can see, we have just ordered plain rice, some paneer vegetable, and this is pav bhaji ka bhaji. It's good, but not so special.
So guys, we'll be on the way to head back home right now and तब तक के लिए आप देख सकते हो हमारे bloopers जो
अभी हम करने वाले हैं रिव्यू गोलमाल रिटर्न्स की.
गोलमाल रिटर्न्स की रिव्यू करने वाले और you will get a link in the I button somewhere here which you can watch and enjoy. Meantime, we'll reach home and continue vlogging with this main vlog as well.
चलो चलो जल्दी करो, टाइम बहुत कम है और बहुत सारा कवर करना है आज.
So guys, Ajay Devgn also has done Singham dance in this movie. Wait. Why will they bother with Singham dance? So all in all, I would give 3.5 rating to this movie. No, wait. 3.5 is too much. Okay, 3 is perfect. Okay. So guys, 7 o'clock in the evening right now, and we're getting a feel as if it's a pretty long day because we got ourselves up very early in the morning and we went for a movie as well. We did movie review, we did editing on the same day, and we put up on our channel NS Vlogs. The link of which, if you want to see a movie review of Golmaal again, will appear somewhere here in the I button. And now we'll be continuing with the celebration. As you can see, I'm not wearing kind of traditional dress which I'm going to wear in a short while, but before that I just want to show you the decoration, a small decoration that we have done in our house. In fact, last year on the same day we were just thinking that just two of us, who are going to celebrate the Diwali, so why to make so much of decoration or lighting up and all. But this time we felt as if we are going to make you as a part of our celebration, so why not you do it. So we are not feeling this time alone as such in Dubai, and we are also going to head out to a place where Diwali will be celebrated. Diwali is normally celebrated very intensively, guys. The entire area is lit up, fireworks are happening and all. So before that, let me show you the small decoration that we made at our home, guys. So let's see. So guys, there's more excitement to follow and I hope you will stay tuned till the end because...
अरे अभिषेक, कपड़े चेंज कर मारना कितने?
Yes guys, so I'm going to quickly change the dress and we'll come back in ethnic or Indian traditional dress. So stay tuned guys. So guys, I'll be quickly wearing this right now and in a moment you will see me dressed up this. Guys, wish you all, your relatives, relatives, friends, a very happy Diwali. So guys, as you can see, I have quickly changed myself up. I'm wearing t-shirt and shorts right now, with which I'm pretty comfortable because we have to go outside. In fact, we're going to take you to a place where...
Why did you change your clothes?
Because I'm feeling very comfortable right now.
But today Diwali.
I know, but to go outside, I should feel comfortable, right?
I won't feel comfortable, man. You have to wear Diwali dress.
What do you feel, guys? You should be feeling comfortable or not?
No, say no.
If I have to go outside and if I'm wearing those traditional dress, then I'll be pretty closed. I'll feel as if I'm closed.
पर आज दिवाली है तो तुम्हें फेस्टिव सीजन का ही कपड़ा पहनना पड़ेगा.
I'm not gonna listen to it because if I listen to it, I'll keep feeling pretty uncomfortable, which I don't want because we want to have a very good evening. So guys, this is like our low light camera test and our camera is performing very well right now. We are off to Bar Dubai and we can expect to see a lot of fireworks there. I hope there is no such ban that it is closed after 10 o'clock or something because it is 9:30 right now. Where is Swagata?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Look Look at this. This purse is matching on my dress. Perfectly color match.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Happy Diwali. Mama soda sample.
So let's go.
Wow. So right now we are going to have dinner, but time is 11:30. Actually, it's not the right time to have dinner, but we have been busy whole day.
That's true, and because of that, we didn't get time to have dinner on time, rather. And we've chosen a Little Hut restaurant to have dinner for ourselves. This is first time we're going to this restaurant, so let's see how it is. We are still
Are
going
you feeling hungry?
to, of course.
This is a mandatory question to ask Abhishek in any vlog. So right now we are having a delicious Manchurian soup after a very long time. So Abhishek, are you happy?
Very much.
Look at his face.
Whenever I see food, I become happy.
The happiest man on the
Whenever I
earth.
have it, I become even more happy.
Okay, let's continue.
So,
See how it is glittering behind me. Nice, right?
Nice.
So guys, we are done with the day and we are going to end this vlog right now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really liked it, please do not forget to hit that like option and comment down your opinion about the vlog. If you've really enjoyed it, please do share with your friends, relatives, and more importantly, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe option. So take care,
And
stay
it's free
blessed.
to watch.
Yes, of course. Stay happy and see you in the next vlog.
Bye bye.